But what happens when you want to handle errors? Because you notice that, say something like when we view a particular page and then maybe delete it. So when we delete and we come back, we do a refresh, it shows us this error, which is not really cool. So how can we make our code better or make it more optimized? So what we can do is to use what we call the try except block, stuff like that, which is part of the things we are doing in this particular video. So in this video, we updated our application using Django forms. Now we want to optimize our code using try and except. Okay, so back to our code here, we want to do try and except. So all we need is to wrap our code inside of try and except. Once we do that, we should be good to go. So for us to do that, we need to just do a try here at the top. So if you're coming from JavaScript background, it's just same thing as the try catch that we know. And then let's move everything into the try like so. So once you move it into the try, the next thing is to have an except block. So except. Now inside of the except, we just want to call a HTTP response like this, and we'll just say upload failed. That is it. So instead of showing that error to the user, we just do upload failed. Simple. Now we'll do the same thing, but before we do it, actually, okay, let's just do it. We'll do the same thing here. Let's do a try as we have done before, and then let's move all this code inside of it. So try, make one step in, and then let's add the except block outside of here like that. Let's make sure this is inside and this is outside. So once we do this, each time we run into an error, instead of having to show that long error, we just show that the upload failed, something like that. So this can be update instead of upload. So update, and here we do a try again, just the same thing. Okay, just so that we don't get to show the user that long error. Okay, so we do an except here instead, and that's just it. Delete failed, something like this. So now let's go back and refresh our page. So refresh our page. You notice it's now telling us update failed. Why? Because this particular student is no longer available to us. Okay, it's deleted. So when you refresh, you notice that it's no longer available. You could try this for various number like 1, which we don't have anymore. It will just show you that it has failed like that. And this is it basically. This is all you really need to know to get started in Django. We have been able to cover a lot. We've been able to cover both routing, views, URLs, the settings, forms, generally everything you really need to know to get started as a web developer. We have been able to cover it. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. There'll be more tutorial coming up. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And in case you have a topic you want me to cover, please drop it down there in the comments. I'll be sure to follow up. See you in the next tutorial.